Hello, welcome to my channel. As you can see today, I've got a lovely apron on from our new batch. If you want to buy, Pranesh will have the link below. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a very quick recipe for tea time. It's shortbread biscuit. For my ingredients for my shortbread, I've got 2.5 cups of cake flour, of which I sieved. I've got 2 tablespoons of maizena, and here I have 1/3 of a cup of custard sugar, and I also have 1 tablespoon of custard sugar to sprinkle when the biscuit is done, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and here I've got 250 grams of butter. This butter is salted, so that's the reason why I'm not adding a pinch of salt to my biscuit recipe. Firstly, I'm gonna put in my butter. My sugar. And my vanilla, half a teaspoon. Then I'm going to beat this up all together till it's soft. As you can see, I creamed up my butter and sugar together, and now it's done. So I'm going to take my maizena, put it into my flour, and mix this all together. Then I'm going to add my flour to my butter, and I'm going to make a dough. I'm going to use my hands to make this dough. Here's my shortbread dough. That's all done up. Now I'm just going to put it into a thin wrap and let it rest in the fridge for about 15 minutes, and then I'll work with it again. Okay, I'll just push this into the fridge and get back 15 minutes time. While I was getting ready, I put my oven to preheat for 165, and here's my dough that sat in the fridge for 15 minutes, and now I'm ready to roll the dough out using the countertop. Sprinkle some flour. I've got my baking tray, which I greased very well with the butter, but you can use any type of margarine to it. I'm going to have a little bit of a thickness to this. I flipped my dough onto my cling wrap so it will be easier for me to pick it up like this, and then flip it into my baking tray. Then I can, just using my hands, press it very firmly to the baking tray. Here's a very good idea if you don't have a small rolling pin to work with. So you can put your cling wrap on top using a tumbler and smoothing the top. So it will be perfectly flat. Okay, now it seems to be done. So before getting it to the oven, I'm using a fork, creating small holes so you can bake through. Now this dough is ready to go into the oven for 25 minutes. Just as a reminder, my oven is heated up to 165. Now just pop this into the oven. When it was 25 minutes, we checked our biscuit. It still needed to get a little brown. So we left it further for another 10 minutes. And now it's gone brown. I'm going to take it off the oven. This is the shortbread, all baked. While my shortbread biscuit is warm, I'm going to sprinkle my custard sugar. And then I am going to cut it into squares. Now we're done with the cutting, so we'll leave it to cool slightly and then we're ready to serve. Here we are, a lovely shortbread biscuit for a nice tea time treat. As you can see, it baked in thoroughly and it's nice and crumbling. Beautifully done. Now Pranesh can enjoy. Thank you for watching and enjoy.